Hey Corina, how are you? Thanks so much for sharing. This is like, it doesn't have any sound yet, but this one, you can hear that. That is ready for shape and ready for filing them. I'm gonna wait for just a little bit. Separated the skin. Now you hear that. It's drying. Still, this one's still really soft. I'll turn it this way so I can check the shape. Always keep your file like 90 degree from your nails surface, so then you can keep the shape really nice and precise from side to side, and then from the free edges. I'm going to wait for a little bit because this one is not dry yet. And again, I'm going to keep this straight. Great. So it's really good. This is not the one that's used one. Usually I'm using a sand beads, which is, this one is a medium grit. So then for most beginners, this is really good and it's safe. If you don't, and then you don't have to worry about if you're like over filing the client's nails. When I apply the powders, I try not to get really close to the cuticle. So then that way when I file them, they will not give me a hard time like to be too much close to the cuticle. So try to stay away from the cuticle, just the hair. So then that way when you find the final like a step for the nails, you won't have to worry about working too much around the cuticle area and then kind of irritate clients' cuticles. You think it's good? I'm changing to different beads. Just a ceramics one, and then this is the medium. Now just clean it up on the cuticles area. Turn and clean underneath if you need it. Great. See that how I'm using my sand bead, so it's really helped so much, and you don't have to worry about over filing or shaping. Great. I'm gonna wipe that off. And I'm gonna do some 3D fun flowers. I have some of them fun already done, like this one, the peachy ones. We've already done this part. So I'm gonna show you the rest of them. Move all the dust off.